Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this is color coding table, and this color coding table we have material. So this is our material, and we have also an ASTM code. So this is our ASTM code. So this ASTM code is American Society Testing Material Code. And now from this item we have pipes. First is pipes, okay? So from the pipes, from the material, we have CS, LTCS, AS, and SS. Okay, CS is a carbon steel, LTCS is low temp carbon steel, and alloy steel, and also stainless steel. Okay, from the carbon steel, the ASTM code is AVI5LB, and we have also A672B65. Okay, from the LTCS, from the low temp carbon steel, we have A33 grade 6. So this is SMLS, so seamless. Okay, from AS, we have, from the ASTM code, we have A335P11. Stainless steel is A312 type 316L and A312 type 304H. Okay, so this is H is also SMLS. So both this ASTM code from the stainless steel is SMLS. So this is seamless. Okay, so next is we have fittings. So our fittings. So this is our fittings. Okay. So from the fittings we have also item the same with the pipes. All items carbon steel, LTCS, and AS, and we also AS. Okay. So from this ASTM code from the fittings, we have A234 WVB and A105 for the carbon steel. For the low temp carbon steel, and we have A420 WVL6, A350LF2. For the alloy steel, A234 WV11CL, and we have also A182 P11. Okay. So from the stainless steel, A403 WV304 LS. From the A182 F304L. So this is for the stainless steel. Okay. So next is we have also a gasket and bolts and nut. Okay. So this is our gasket, bolt, and nut. So we have SW for gasket. So this SW is spiral wood, and we have OR type 316L and OR type 304H for the ASTM code. So this OR is outer ring, and we have also CR center ring, and we have also IR is inner ring. So this outer ring, you will see this type of steel, stainless. This is stainless steel 316 and 304. Okay. Now we have a bolt, and so this is last bolt and nut. So we have ASTM code B7 and L7. Okay. So this, okay. So this L7 for the, this one is for the high temp. We have A193 B7 and we have A320 L7. So this B7 is A19242H, and we have also L7 is A184-4. Okay. So that's all for now, guys. So this is a very important for the 5 fitter, and also for the 5 inspector, you must know what is the coding. So this is ASTM code for the 5 fittings, gasket, and bolt and nut. So this is, we have also a color coding for that, and we have also a thickness and also color. Okay. For the meantime, we will topic first this ASTM code. So next is thickness. What is the thickness and what is the color of this all material? Okay, based on our item, 5 fittings, gasket, and bolt and nut. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have comments, just comment here what your comment in my video, and please click like. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you. Hi guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So based on ASME B31.3 pipeline class with material specification. Okay, so we have a different material specification in the pipeline class based on the ASME B31.3. Okay, so what is this? So the material specification for the piping class, we have A1B with the same AA, 1C, AA, 1D, and AA, 1E. Okay, AA, 1F, and then next is CA, 1D, CA, 1S, CA, 1US. We have also F, A1, A, TF1, LA1, LA7B, and we have also NA, 1S, RA, 1S, and UA1. So this is the pipeline class specification. So this is the material specification. So what is the material description for this specification based on ASME B31.3? So this all specification is A53 API 5L grade B, okay, or A106B. So this is the material description. A53 API 5L grade B or A106B. So this pipeline specification. So this pipeline specification or material specification is all this is A106B. Okay. So next is this also pipeline. This also specification. So we have also LA7AS. So what is this? So the material specification for this or material description is A53B GAL. Okay. So LA, so this is a specification and this is the description. A53 BGAL. Okay. So for the 83 grade 6, A333 grade 6, the specification, this one for the material specification is for the pipeline AKL, FKL, AKLS, and C KLS. So this is the specification and this is the description. So this is A33 grade 6. So this is P1. Okay, so all this is all plate number P1. Okay. Okay guys, and we have another information for that. So we have a BW, FW, SW. So this is butt weld, fillet weld, and socket weld. So BW, FW, SW. So this is butt weld, fillet weld, and socket weld. Okay, so this is a very important. Here we can see this all in the isometric drawing. So thanks for watching guys, and I hope you have learned regarding this specification and material description based on ASME B31.3. And don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a comment in my video, just leave in a comment and don't forget to this symbol. Okay, thank you, bye bye.
Gasket is a sealing material that placed between the connecting flange to create a static seal. This static seal maintains the leak-proof sealing in all operating conditions. Type of the gasket to be used in given fluid service is depend on the parameters such as temperature, pressure, corrosion resistance, type of the fluid, robustness, availability, and the cost. There are three types of gasket used: non-metallic, metallic, and composite. Let's start with non-metal. Most common material used for this type of gasket are rubber, Teflon, PTFE, and compressed non-asbestos fiber. These gaskets are also known as soft gasket. It can be full face or inside bolt circle. Next slide will cover what is full face and inside bolt circle mean. Non-metallic gasket can easily compress with low tension bolting. This type of gasket are used in low pressure class flanges such as 150 or 300 class. This type of gasket cannot be used in high temperature services. Non-metallic gasket are also not used in hydrocarbon services. Non-metallic gasket are cheapest and easily available. You can see in the right side of the image which shows the full face gasket and inside bolt circle gasket. Image also shows CNF and PTFE gasket. Metal gaskets are manufactured from materials such as soft iron, low carbon steel, stainless steel, Monel, and Inconel. These gaskets are also known as ring gasket or RTJ gasket. Metallic gaskets are used in high pressure class flanges, normally above 900 class. They can also be used in high temperature services. High tension bolting is required when we use the metallic gasket. They are very robust and most costly gaskets among all type of the gasket. There are two types of metallic gasket are used in RTJ flange. One is octagonal and other is oval type. You can see the difference in their cross section as shown in the image. Composite gasket are combination of metal and non-metal material. Different type of combination of material is possible based on the service requirement. Spiral wound, metal jacketed, and cam profile gasket are well known in composite gasket category. They can be used in wide range of pressure and temperature. Composite gasket are cost effective with compared to metal gasket, but careful handling is required. Spiral wound, metal jacketed, cam profile gasket are further discussed in next few slides. Spiral wound gasket is most widely used composite type of gasket. It is suitable for wide range of pressure and temperature class. Normally graphite or PTFE is used as a filler material, and stainless steel or other exotic material is used as a winding material. Graphite is used when service temperature is high, whereas PTFE is used for normal services where temperature is not too much. Image shows sample spiral wound gasket. There are three components in spiral wound gasket: inner and outer ring and winding material. However, sometimes inner ring is not used. You can see in the image spiral wound gasket with and without inner ring. Inner ring is used to provide additional support to the winding material. Winding is the alternative layer of filler material and backing strip. Winding can be a V-type or W-type as shown in the image. In metal jacketed gasket, soft filler material is enclosed in thin sheet of metal jacket. There are different ways to cover filler material as shown in the image. Metal jacketed gasket are commonly used in heat exchanger. Cam profile gasket is having a solid metal core with concentric groove. Filler material either graphite or PTFE is layered on this groove metal ring. It is costlier than spiral wound gasket but provide better blowout resistance and easy to handle even in the large diameter.